Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TIAA detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with TIAA, begin by visiting the official TIAA website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. On the login page, find the option that states register. Click on register to start the registration process. You will be directed to a page asking for your personal information. Fill in your Social Security number or TIAA account number. Next, provide your date of birth for verification purposes. After entering your information, click Next to proceed. You may be prompted to answer security questions for added security. Choose your security questions and provide your answers. Once completed, click Next to continue with the registration. You will need to create a username and password. Make sure your password is strong and meets the requirements set by TIAA. After setting your username and password, click Next to save your credentials. Review the terms and conditions presented to you. Read the information carefully and, if you agree, check the acknowledgement box. Click Submit to finalize your registration process. At this point, you should receive a confirmation that your registration is successful. You can now log into your TIAA account using your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.